Today I am reviewing the Skytech Gaming Prism 4 desktop PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for an absolute powerhouse gaming PC that can handle anything you throw at it, the Skytech Gaming Prism 4 desktop PC is built to deliver extreme performance without compromise. This is a high-end pre-built system designed for gamers, content creators, and power users who want top-tier hardware ready to go right out of the box. At the heart of this system is the AMD Ryzen 9950X3D processor, one of the most powerful CPUs available today. With a base clock of 4.3 GHz and boost speeds up to 5.7 GHz. This processor is designed for both gaming and heavy workloads. Whether you're gaming at ultra settings, streaming, editing 4K, or even 8K video, or running demanding software, this CPU handles everything smoothly. Thanks to its advanced architecture and 3D V-cache technology, it delivers exceptional gaming performance, especially in CPU-intensive titles. Pairing perfectly with that is the NVIDIA RTX 5080 16GB graphics card. This GPU represents next-generation performance, offering incredible rendering power, advanced ray tracing, and AI-enhanced graphics. With 16 GB of high-speed GDDR7 memory, it is built to handle modern AAA games at 4K resolution with high frame rates. You can expect ultra settings gameplay in demanding titles, along with smooth performance in competitive games where every frame matters. It's also excellent for creative workloads like 3D rendering, video editing, and AI-based applications. Memory and storage are equally impressive. This system comes with a massive 64 GB of DDR5 RAM running at 6,000 MHz, which ensures lightning-fast multitasking and responsiveness. You can run multiple heavy applications at once without slowdowns. Whether you're gaming, streaming, editing, or working with large data sets, the system remains smooth and responsive. For storage, you get a huge 4TB Gen4 NVMe SSD, which is incredibly fast compared to traditional hard drives. This means near-instant boot times, fast game loading, and quick file transfers. With 4 TB of space, you have more than enough room for a massive library of games, software, and media without worrying about running out of storage anytime soon. Cooling is a major focus in this build, and Skytech has equipped the Prism 4 with a 360mm RGB all-in-one liquid cooler. This advanced cooling solution ensures that the CPU stays at optimal temperatures even under heavy loads. Combined with high-quality airflow and efficient thermal design, this system minimizes the risk of thermal throttling, allowing the components to run at their full potential for longer periods. The system is built on an X870 motherboard, which provides a solid foundation with support for high-speed components and future upgrades. It ensures stability, performance, and compatibility with the latest technologies. The inclusion of a 1000W gold-rated ATX 3 power supply guarantees reliable and efficient power delivery, even under demanding conditions. This is especially important for a high-performance GPU like the RTX 5080. In terms of design, the Prism 4 comes in a visually striking case that showcases your components beautifully. The ARGB lighting, clean cable management, and premium build quality make it a centerpiece for any gaming setup. It's not just about performance. This PC also looks incredible on your desk. Connectivity is well covered with a variety of ports, including USB 2.0, USB 3.0, USB 3.2 Gen 1, HDMI, and DisplayPort options, along with built-in Wi-Fi and HD audio support. You also get a free gaming keyboard and mouse, so you can start using the system right away without needing additional peripherals. Out of the box, the system runs Windows 11 Home with no unnecessary bloatware, which is a huge advantage. This means a clean, optimized experience right from the start, allowing you to focus on gaming and productivity without dealing with unwanted software. When it comes to real-world performance, this PC is an absolute beast. It can run modern games like Call of Duty, Fortnite, Cyberpunk 2077, Elden Ring, and many more at ultra settings in 4K with smooth frame rates. Competitive games like Valorant, CS2, and Apex Legends run effortlessly at extremely high frame rates, giving you a competitive edge. It's also powerful enough for streaming and recording gameplay simultaneously without any noticeable performance drop. For creators, this system is equally impressive. Video editing, 3D rendering, and other intensive tasks are handled with ease thanks to the combination of the high-end CPU, GPU, and massive RAM. It significantly reduces render times and improves overall workflow efficiency. Skytech also backs this system with a 1-year warranty on parts and labor, along with free technical support. Plus, since it's assembled in the USA, you can expect high build quality and reliable assembly standards. Overall, the Skytech Gaming Prism 4 desktop PC is a top-tier pre-built system designed for users who want the best of the best. With its cutting-edge Ryzen 9 processor, RTX 5080 graphics, massive RAM and storage, advanced cooling, and premium design, it delivers exceptional performance across gaming, content creation, and productivity. If you want a future-proof gaming PC that can handle anything today and well into the future, this is one of the most powerful and well-balanced systems you can buy right now. It's a complete package that combines performance, aesthetics, and reliability in one high-end machine.